Hi guys! So this is the Module 3 video. I said I would make a video for each module, and here we are. Basically every 3 days, or I think it's 2.5 days, we have a new module. So looking at the schedule here, there are 3 things in this module, and they're due over the next couple of days. Today you have your readings, and I'm going to come back to that and show you where to find those and what they are. Tomorrow you have your rough draft due, and then you have your final draft due on the 11th, which I have to check my calendar. That's Monday. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do this while I'm showing you, because I want you to know that this has been changed. I'm actually going to make the peer review due on Friday and your rough draft due tomorrow. Why am I doing this? Because I realized that with things moving as quickly as they are, it's going to be very difficult, and I think right now like 3 people have submitted their essay, which is great for those 3 people. But for everyone to get their rough draft and peer review in by tomorrow is it's gonna reduce the quality of the peer review greatly. So what I really need is to have everyone's rough draft in tomorrow, because I have to respond to them. I personally need to do that, and so that's 23 essays for me. But I don't need you guys to necessarily respond to everyone. So you guys all get your essays in by tomorrow at midnight, and then you can do your peer reviews by Friday night. What I'll do is late tomorrow night, I will open up that discussion and I'll edit it so that it actually ends on Friday night instead of Thursday night, so the 8th instead of the 7th. So it's going to change the way it looks in the online course schedule, the one that sends you notifications. But that way I will be able to give everyone full credit who gets just their draft in by tomorrow night, and then can give credit separately for the reviews being done. All right? I doubt anyone's going to fight me on that. There may be a few people who are annoyed because they kind of already got it done, but you guys are just ahead of the game, okay? So thank you guys for your flexibility on that. And then let me show you the importance of the readings. I've got them open in another window. So to get to them, you go to Content, and then Unit 1, and then Module 3, and then there's actually a file called Module 3. And it's going to have information about logos, ethos, and pathos, so the 3 elements of the rhetorical pyramid, and also some sample essays, which I think will be really helpful for you guys. Make sure that you read all of this before you write your rough draft, and I think that you'll be on stronger footing. So, okay. Got all this stuff to read. All right, and look at these really helpful things. How to write an engaging introduction, paragraph flow. Here are your optional readings. All right, examples 1, 2, and 3, good stuff. So the rest is stuff that I think you would find because you've already presumably you've already read the description of the essay and you know the requirements, and the peer review requirements are in the discussion in CD3 already, so I'm assuming that you've read that. But reread all of it, because it's good information and it's always good to reinforce what you already know. This sample outline I think is really helpful, and guys, if you're not like outline makers, try it. I think that you're going to really find it beneficial, because it's going to save you a lot of brain power to already have it written down, what you're going to cover in what order, and it's going to save you then a lot of time. And then if you need to edit or revise your essay, then you can just move things around in your outline, and then that's going to give you a map for it's kind of like a blueprint, right? And then you can just like rearrange things and know what needs to be moved where. All right. So there you go. There's the assignments for Module 3. And that's all I really need to say. You guys did a great job choosing cool texts to analyze for this essay. I responded to all of those. I'm going to be responding to your rough drafts in messages. So instead of the way I did it before with my my stylus and my tablet, the way we're set up here, I'm just gonna type you some comments. But if you need more feedback, I guess I can do that. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let me know if you guys have questions. All right. Have a good rest of your week.